Hi students, this is Sandy Brown Jensen, your Writing 121 instructor, and this is a quick video on how to get started with Google Docs. First of all, you need to have a Gmail account, or you can sign up with your regular email address. And there's information in our Moodle classroom about how to do that. You can also find it widely on the web just by doing a simple Google search. For instance, I found this page. I need to sign in, and to sign in you need that Gmail or Google Doc account, and I know that mine is for this class. It remembers me, remembers my password, and I'm going to sign in. I have all of these things going on in my Google Docs. You probably don't have anything yet, but you will eventually. One thing to know about Google Docs is that what we call folders in Microsoft Word are called collections here. So I have all these collections or folders, and you make those by going to Create, and you can create a collection. You can do like Excel or PowerPoint. Today we just want to do a simple document, and I want to show you how to save it and share it. So I'm clicking on Create Document. First thing you want to do is to give it a title. It says Untitled. Just click up there. And it says enter a new document name, and please put your name on there. So let's just say your name is Sally Jones, and you're doing the first essay, so it might be essay number 1, notice and focus. Okay, you say, and you see you have a paper now. This won't necessarily be the title of your essay. It might be something very different, probably will be, but this just helps me identify your essay out of that long pile that you saw I had. Other than that, it works pretty much like Microsoft Word. You can, one thing about Google Docs is that you can never lose a copy. If you suddenly everything goes away and you wonder, oh my God, where'd it go? Under See Revision History, you'll have all the saves you ever had right there. You can rename it, make a copy, and so on. Under Edit, you can cut, copy, and paste. You'll notice that Google Doc doesn't like to copy and paste direct from the page. It likes you to do Control-C for copy, Control-V for paste. It will remind you, don't worry. If you want to insert, for example, a horizontal line, you can do that there. This insert is where you also will insert a comment. That's how I talk to you. I'll show you that in a second. Don't be afraid to click on these things and figure out what you have. Google Docs Help Center is incredibly useful. I use it all the time. And also you can learn about your keyboard shortcuts there. So here you are. My great paper. Terrific. When I get this, I might want to make a comment. And I would highlight that. I would insert a comment like that. And I would say something like that. And I click on comment. However, when you see it, you see this square, and you can't see really that it relates to this. You have to click on the comment, and you get an arrow, and the arrow will point to what it belongs to. And if you say, okay, I read Sandy's comment, and I did anything she asked me to do, I'm all done, just click on Resolve, and it will go away. See? Or another thing you can do is insert a comment. So here's my comment. Put it back. There it is. And you click on it and say, oh, I got a compliment, and you want to reply to me in some way. Well, you can just go and hit reply, and that will come back to me. I will see that. Okay, so that's the basics. Well, one more thing, which is how to do a link. So if you wanted to do a link to my website, say, I would highlight that. I would click on the link sign. This is, you would just copy and paste. I'm writing it because I have it in my head. Okay, and there it is. See? There's a nice link. Person comes along, right there to the link. Super. Now let's get down to how you're going to share this with me and anybody else. You go over here to the share box. Private to only me. Well, that's not useful. I need to make it public. So I click on there. I get this box, and under private, you want to change that setting and click on anyone with the link. Okay. And then you have to figure out who's going to get access. What can they do? Can they view it, comment it, or edit it? For me, editing, please. That allows me to get right in there and make comments. Click on save. But wait, there's more. This is the link up here that you can copy and put in Moodle. But you'll notice it's the same link as you have up here. So you can grab it either place when you go to submit your paper. So now we know that anyone who has the link can edit. This is me, but you know, if this is your paper, this is you. So you want to insert me. So under add people, to make sure that Sandy's included, like that. And don't notify me by email, because I don't use Gmail for any email at all. I only use it for Google Docs. And you can just share and save. Okay. I'm all done. So there you go. And you can write on it, come back to it, work on your paper as many times as you want until it's time to turn it in. And then you grab that URL. Okay? And you're going to take it over to Moodle and place it there. But I will show you that in another video. Okay, thank you for your time and attention. And if you are still confused, you can replay the video or you can contact me. jensons@lanecc.edu. Don't be a stranger. Remember, you're paying me to teach you, and I can't teach if you don't reach out and say, hey, Sandy, what's going on? Answer my questions. So please do. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later.